All right, hello, AP Computer Science students. LightBoard free response questions, similar to the ones we've been doing before. I would start with the PDF here, so we can read through the description. There's two parts on this one. It's a 2D array one again. Okay, and you have to do the constructor in part A that will just initialize this and fill in this 2D array of Booleans. That's what happens in part A. And then part B, you'll have to do a method that makes use of this 2D array also. So again, you can either write it on a paper, at which point you just need to fill in the constructor, do the heading, fill it in, and then do the method and fill that in. You don't need to write out the rest of it. Or you can do it in Eclipse. So if you're doing it in Eclipse or a different editor, you can actually do any text editor if you want. You make the class and then definitely make the instance variable and then just do the method heading and fill it in, right? And then same thing, do the method here and fill it in. And again, keep in mind you're accessing this instance variable in both your method and constructor because it's available all the way, it's between this parenthesis and this parenthesis. So or curly brace, I guess. So you can access that all throughout there. So as always, either type it in Eclipse or write it on a piece of paper. And then when you are done, just turn it in either here, turn in your pictures here or your completed code, or you can turn it in Google Drive. All right, that's all I got. There's help videos, right? But again, use them only after you've tried it. And if you are stuck, you can use those to help. So that's all I got. Thank you. Have a good day.